Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this screwdriver set that I got to be able to have on hand at the house, as I needed something to organize my tools better, and then that had a whole set of screwdrivers and like Phillips head, flatheads, and kind of the star bits, whatever you want to call them. So this set includes 5-piece Phillips screwdriver, 5-piece slotted screwdriver, 4-piece star screwdriver, 40-piece screwdriver bits, 9-piece precision screwdriver bits, a magnetic 1/4 inch hex shank, and then a magnetizer and a demagnetizer. So pretty cool. We'll go ahead and open this up here. Alright, got this open. Go ahead and show you the box. So here's your clips on top to help keep it clamped closed. So go ahead and undo those. See if there's anything else. Doesn't look like there's anything else on the side. Go ahead and flip this up. Here's all your screwdrivers on the inside. There's one side. Here's your other side. And then this looks like your here's your magnetizer and demagnetizer. Here's some of your Phillips heads. Got some smaller precision type ones. They are all labeled. You can see there's little markings that tell you what size, so that's pretty cool. Nice and organized. And then we've got a small flathead over here. Here's your precision flatheads over here, as you can see. And then here's some longer Phillips heads, flatheads. There's a Phillips head. And then you've got this one right here that you can put in all these other little bits that are right here in these two storage little container things. So looks like a pretty nice set that I'm looking forward to using for stuff around the house, but just wanted to show you this real quick.